Hi, Scott Nida, founder of Fairway Exteriors. We're installing windows almost every day in Northeast Johnson County and across the metro. And obviously one of the questions people have is how much do windows cost? And one of the awesome things to see as an owner who really cares about installing products that are gonna last and really perform for homeowners is, since Marvin Windows actually opened a facility in Kansas City, Kansas for their new Vivid fiberglass technology, a lot of homeowners are asking, hey, let's talk about Marvin, which is fantastic. It's the most common window we sell. It's the one that we believe the most in. We think it's the most durable and the best value. It definitely costs more than vinyl. And so if you're thinking about what's a Marvin window cost, like most things, it kind of depend. But if you're doing all fiberglass, a lot of times you're looking at $1,600 to $1,800 a window. And if you're looking at fiberglass exterior and wood interior, you're looking probably more like $2,000 to $2,200 per window. It really depends though. Case windows cost more, tempered glass costs more, grids cost more, multiple colors cost more. So there's always things that can change it, 10 to 15%. Most of the time, a fiberglass replacement window is in that kind of $1,600 to $1,800 amount. And if you want a wood interior fiberglass exterior, you're probably more like $2,000 to $2,200. And then all the small customization can make it a little more expensive from there.